OnePlus is gearing up to launch a couple of products on July 22nd. These include the OnePlus NORD 2 and the OnePlus BUDS PRO. Now, details about these products have been pouring in recently, and it's time we take a deep dive into how these products are shaping up. Now, before we talk about the phone and the BUDS PRO, support the channel by subscribing. Now, the phone's design leaked recently in a variety of colors such as gray, blue, and an exciting red color option. Another limited edition vegan leather option is rumored to launch as well. Now, as far as the specs go, the phone is going to feature a 6.43-inch 90Hz AMOLED display that has a left hole punch for a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera setup is looking strikingly similar to the OnePlus 9 series with its triple camera array. Now, this includes a big 50-megapixel Sony sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel useless sensor. But there is one small thing I'm worried about with this phone. OnePlus is shifting away from using Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipset for this generation. The company is planning to use the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC that is a 6nm chip and is similar to the Snapdragon 870 in terms of performance. Now, I'm sure the reason for this is to decrease the overall cost of the device, but I'm not stoked about this decision because phones using MediaTek chips tend to get slower in the latter part of their usage cycle, and custom ROM support for MediaTek chips is far less than Snapdragon, which also becomes essential considering OnePlus might only offer one major Android update for this phone. Other than that, the phone is going to be offered in 8 and 12GB RAM variants along with 128 and 256GB of storage respectively. The phone will have 4500 mAh battery that can fast charge at a whopping 65 watts, and as expected there will be no IP rating or a headphone jack. Now, pricing for the phone is rumored to stay the same at around 30,000 Indian rupees, which is around 350 to 400 US dollars, and it is still high considering the offerings from Xiaomi's Poco brand in India. Now, along with the Nord 2, OnePlus is also releasing the OnePlus BUDS PRO that are looking to offer adaptive noise cancellation at a cheaper price when compared to other companies. Now, from the design teasers, the BUDS PRO look to be slightly refreshed version of the OnePlus Buds Z with adaptive noise cancellation baked in. The BUDS PRO will support warp charge where 10 minutes of charging will power the buds for 10 hours, and there is support for wireless charging, but that's at a measly 2 watts only. As for the battery backup, OnePlus is making huge promises at 28 hours of total playback time with adaptive noise cancellation on and 38 hours without adaptive noise cancellation off. Now, OnePlus has received a lot of flack recently for tampering with benchmarks, merging with Oppo, and steering away from its path of making flagship killers. Now, let's see if OnePlus can make some good headlines with the launch of these two products. And as always, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.